What is persuasive precedent in the legal system? Imagine a courtroom where judges are like navigators charting a course through complex legal waters. They often look to previous decisions to guide their judgments, but not all past rulings carry the same weight. Some are more influential than others, shaping future interpretations even if they are not binding. This is where the concept of persuasive precedent becomes essential. Persuasive precedent refers to legal decisions or principles established in previous cases that a judge may consider when making a ruling, but which do not have to be followed. Unlike binding precedent, which comes from higher courts within the same jurisdiction and must be adhered to, persuasive precedent originates from courts of equal or lower authority, or even from courts in different jurisdictions. Judges evaluate these prior rulings based on their relevance, reasoning, and the circumstances of the case at hand. For example, a judge in one state may look at a decision made by a court in another state if the legal issue is similar and there is no binding precedent within their own jurisdiction. They might also consider decisions from appellate courts or courts of different regions if those rulings are well-reasoned and relevant. The judge then weighs these precedents, alongside statutory, law, and constitutional principles, to arrive at a fair and consistent decision. The influence of persuasive precedent can vary depending on the context. Courts often relying on it to interpret ambiguous statutes or to explore innovative legal arguments. It is especially useful when there is a lack of clear binding authority, or when the existing binding decisions are outdated or limited in scope. By considering persuasive precedent, judges can ensure that their rulings are informed by a broad spectrum of legal reasoning, fostering consistency and fairness across different cases. In summary, persuasive precedent plays a vital role in the legal system by providing judges with additional perspectives and reasoning to inform their decisions. While it does not carry the obligation of binding authority, its influence can be significant in shaping the development of law and ensuring justice in complex or novel situations.